in the class of 2020.
Woo!
Now I just want to add some brown sugar, 1.5 cups. To put the butter in a little bowl, and then we're going to microwave it.
Which is 1/4 of butter, which is half a stick. This came together about 30 seconds. This was in the microwave for 20 seconds, and like I said, the mixture came in within 30 seconds. Now we're just gonna let this cool down and use it for the third step. We used a stick and almost 2 sticks of butter. We only have 2 tablespoons left. I've switched from this utensil to this one because the flour is going in and it will blend it in quicker. If your cookie looks like this is okay. Scoop around. So originally when I made these, the texture was a little bit thicker. So it is warm in my kitchen today, so I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes so it can get harden a little bit more, and then I'm going to scoop them out and put them into the baking pan with parchment paper. So here we go. It's been setting in for about 20 to 30 minutes. I actually put my ice cream scooper also in the freezer to help me scoop them a little faster. And the dough has set up pretty good.